Order of operation in arithmetic expressions containing only addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction are arithmetic operations of the same order of priority. This means that if an arithmetic expression contains only additions and subtractions, we calculate operations from left to right, regardless of the operation involved. Let's consider a couple of examples to clarify this point. Example: calculate the value of the following arithmetic expressions. A. 21 minus 6 plus 12 minus 8 equals B. 14 plus 5 minus 6 plus 13 minus 12 equals. Solution: A. As we discovered previously, we complete the operations from left to right. We have the following as shown on screen. B. Again, since the expression contains only additions and subtractions, we complete the operations from left to right. We have the following. That is all for lesson 1.4.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.4.2, Order of Operation in Arithmetic Expressions Containing Only Multiplications and Division. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.